Shubor nakaslem jong unong Saiñ Hima.
Ka Hanyautra Youth Council bat ka Jaintia National Council hapo ka Shatri jong ka Komso kalalet ban yashimbenta sha ka jingelang bat ka jingat patba balakhot ban penlong da ka kanhun ki seng bhalang na po rilum garo kablatip kom ka nangrim gimming achek dol ne ka Unified Garo Organization ya ka ne ka jingelang bat ka jingat patba la penlong ha ampati Southwest Garo Hills District Hinin kasi kasantrik uleber. Na kalyang ka komso, la ay jingkren daw chairman uba Roy Kupar Senram. Maulaong ba kitray ri bat kijad benrio ka jala Megalia, kalathat siya ba palat iya ka jingwan rungto kinong Bangladesh siya po kari. Lingba ka jala. Da ka babinrap ulaong ba kladay kapor, bakum ka ju ka jala kari lum garo bat kasi Jaintia, banpin sngaw siya kinong mi kamat bat kasorka. Conrad sngaw ba wat le kumu Arsap, Tang na kabenta ka jing Myntoi Saiñ Pyrthei. Rada Pyrthei shisha uta unong yalam ubaya lam ni ka sorkar jila, ngiru ngi kwa abanyo i, bapinle kum ukun ka achek lani utray kando na rilum garo ulong.
We have won the battle. My brothers and sisters, I want you to win the war, not just the battle. The war is when none of these non-tribals, these illegal Bangladeshis, their name will be in the electoral roll to the GHDC election. Their name should be deleted from the GHDC roll. And none of them should be able to take part in the GHDC election. How can a person who are illegal settlers, who does not understand our customs, who does not understand our tradition, sit as an MDC in GHDC and make laws regarding our tradition and custom? How can we allow a person who's draining our resources, who are encroaching into our land, who are trying to make us become minority in our own land, take part in the autonomous institution that have been given to us? Is that not a dilution of the GHDC or of the 6th schedule? My brothers and sisters, you have to stand up. The Garos, the Yachik brothers and sisters of Garo Hills should raise one voice and say that this is the time and this is the year that we will bring a change. And I am sure the formation of the NAD, the Unified Garo Organization, in which all the organizations have come up together, is a way forward. And I hope that you take this way forward to win that war, to ensure that GHDC is for the Achik people and will stay for the Achik people for the years to come. Indigenous people of Meghalaya have had enough with these illegal Bangladeshis, and it is time that we stand together, and it is time to make a representative, a government, to hear that enough is enough. Conrad goes to Dimahasau and says about and speaks about dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule. The question we want to ask him today here, what about the dilution that is going on in GHDC for the last 50 or 60 years? What have he done? His party is saying that the non-tribals have the right to contest and take votes in the election. Then what is the use of GHDC? Why do we need GHDC, the Garlands Autonomous District Council? Why do we need the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council if it is meant for all the non-tribals and the tribals to take part in this district council? Conrad if you speak about the dilution of the sixth schedule in Dimahasao, did you forget that you are the son of the soil from Garo Hills, the very district council that have been diluted its provision? Mr. Conrad Sangma, please don't be double-faced just for political benefits. If you are the leaders, we see you as a leader since you are leading the government of our state. We also want to see you to act as the son of the soil. And I hope you have not forgotten that you are the son of the soil from the Achik land or from Garo Hills. So act like one. When you speak about dilution of the JHDC has been going on now for the last 50 or 60 years, 70 years. What have you done? Now, when the Garo people, the Achik people are standing up to demand that this dilution will not be allowed to happen anymore, your party is saying that no, that is not constitutionally viable. Forget about constitutional viability or not. Forget about what happened in the last 70 years. Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is for the Garos and will be for the Garos, and the Garos will stand up and fight for that right. Inch of our Aking land to be used, to be manipulated, to be encroached by these illegal settlers. The decision is yours to take. And we also have to ask this question. But how come these illegal settlers, these illegal immigrants will have the same right as you and I? Will have the right over us, the institution that was given to us. The sixth schedule to the Constitution of India was not given to us as charity. It was given to us so that we protect our own land, we protect our own culture, our own tradition. The district council are given for the tribals, and we are the tribals. JHDC belongs to the Achik people, and its destiny should be the Achik people, not by some illegal immigrants.